Greetings, muggles. Hi guys, my name is Cameron Docker, and today I'm going to show you 100 voice impressions. 3, 2, 1. It's me, Mario! Yahoo!
Yoshi!
Brian, I do believe this calls for a sexy party.
Say there, wanna come to my basement and try some popsicles?
Peter, why you treat me like this? Is it because I'm a fucking cripple?
Seriously, Joe, I might as well start charging to use my uterus.
Hey Lois, diarrhea. Oh, it's just great being an alien.
No! Protect Jon Stewart! He's our most important Jew!
Hey Meg, are you ready for some sexy time with Neil? Hi, I'm Seth Macfarlane. Welcome to Family Guy. Cookie!
Good news, everyone! How's it going, brush? My name is PewDiePie.
I've already told you I'm not David Bowie.
Hello, my name's Alan Carr. Welcome to Chatty Man.
Hello, it's Graham Norton.
Hello, yes, and welcome to Live with the Apollo with me, Michael McIntyre.
Hello, my name's Jonathan Moss, and up next is my favourite guest ever, it's Mr. Wiki Gervais. You stench, darling. Hello and welcome to Take Me Out. No likey, no lighty. This guy, only the laugh counts. D5, 9:41 PM. You were like, whoa, and they were like, whoa, and then we were like, whoa.
My name is Kermit the Frog. Nice to meet you.
Hello my friends, it's FPS Russia. Today I'll be trying out the AK-47 assault rifle. Okay, I'll tell you. Do you know the Muffin Man? Now listen here. I want to give everybody a shot with Obamacare. I did not have sex with that woman. Richard Nixon. I'm a knob. Every time I clap my hands, a child in Africa dies. My name's Christopher Walken, and I'm just not feeling it. I need more cowbell. Tina, hit your foot. Ooh, prepare for trouble.
Meows! That's right.
You want my body? Get in line, muchacho.
Jigglypuff. I am Cornholio, and a tippy for my bunghole.
Hey, Bibith, check it out. That dinosaur is horny. Mr. Potter, turn your book to page 394.
Today, children, we'll be learning the summoning spell, Accio.
Oh, Wingardium Levio's song.
Master Harry gave Dobby a sock. Yeah.
What's up, Doc?
I will get that pesky rabbit.
You're despicable.
I am fire. I am death.
No! You've ruined it! Dirty, tricksy thieves!
The name's Bond. James Bond.
I love you, you love me, we're a happy family. Elmo loves you!
I am Groot!
Boys have Cameron when you could have Zoidberg.
I'm gonna squish you like a bug.
You think the darkness is your ally? What? Doesn't anyone care about Sid the Sloth? 1 nipple. 2 nipples.
Strong with the force you are. They call me the Governor.
Right, Reggie.
Howdy ho! You won't get high? Why did the chicken cross the road? The road? The road? Screaming guys and then him.
Mark the mic. I wrote a song, everyone. Hey, everyone, Ringo wrote a song.
Speedy Gonzales, arriba!
Here's the deal. You keep your money, and I get your baby.
Animal!
You sure you want to take this one out, then?
No, I don't like it. One other one.
Wazowski. Hello, darling. Do not try to run or you will be exterminated. May I take your coat?
Hi, it's Bruno.
Yeah, Shibash, my name is Borat.
I am the one who knocks.
That's Mr. White, bitch.
You see, it's not about the money. It's about sending a message.
Where's Rachel?
Nicolas Cage may have seen me in such movies as Ghost Rider. Oh, that was absolutely fantastic.
I demand a house made of broccoli.
Oh boy!
A lot of custom.
Do I make you horny, baby?
Hey guys, it's me, Francis. Sons of bitches.
Hey, you guys.
Ohana means family, and family means nobody gets left behind or forgotten.
You come to me on the day of my daughter's wedding.
I figured because the Democrats were in power again.
I pity the fool.
Shh. Be very, very quiet. I'm hunting rabbits. Hello, my name is Mrs. Doubtfire.
Drugs are bad.